Hello, my name is Alejandro Barraza. I'm a student in CCT College and I'm going to talk about drones technology. The development of drone technology has been impressed in the recent years. Drones are unmanned flying devices that can be controlled remotely and are equipped with camera and other instruments. As technology has advanced, drones has become smaller, lighter, and more advanced in terms of flying capabilities and features. The drones technology has come a long way in recent years. It has taken various paths in which I'm going to emphasize two of the most important so far, which are in the Army area and the agriculture area. Two companies related in this advance are DJI, which has development in the agricultural field, film production, and public safety. On the other hand, we have the Invasion Company, which is a company dedicated to development of military advances such as drones to carry out tactical search and rescue missions. Drones has had a significant impact in many sectors. In agriculture, for example, drones are used to monitor crops, helping farmers identify problems and make informed decisions about irrigation and fertilization. In the construction industry, drones are used to inspect buildings and bridges. The DJI company are showing the drone used for agriculture as the Agras T40 model. In the agriculture, for example, drones are used to monitor crops, helping farmers identifying problems and make informed decisions about irrigation and fertilization. In the construction industry, drones are used to inspect buildings and bridges, helping engineers identify problems and make informed decisions about repair and maintenance. In the energy sector, drones are used to inspect transmission towers and wind turbines, helping operators identify problems and make informed decisions about repair and maintenance. We will use the Agras T40 model and only as a reference, since there are more with different performance options. The company Envision have the Malena UAV version 2 model that is used by the Argentine Navy to carry out tactical search and rescue missions in which the advanced control of the gambling is configured within the system of that flying by camera. This advanced control mode is targeted at surveillance and SCR search and rescue missions. When operating by the camera mode is on, it's possible to guide the UAV by the gimbal camera. The aircraft flying in the direction the camera is pointing, reducing the operation workload and making the mail easier to control. The drones has a significant impact in many sectors. However, I'm going to talk about the um, five forces. It's a framework for understanding the competition forces at work and the industry. As the threat of new entrants, the threat of new entrants in the drone industry is relatively high, while drones have become more affordable and accessible. The marketing is still highly competitive, and there are many new players entering in the market. The bargaining power of suppliers. The power of suppliers in the drone industry is relatively low. There are many suppliers of drone components and the technology is become more widely enabled. This means that the business can easily source and the components they need to build or operate drones or can negotiate favorable terms with suppliers. Bargain power buyers. The bargaining powers of buying in the drone industry is relatively high. Buyers have a wide range of options when it comes to purchasing drones, and they can easily compare prices and first cross different brands. Threats of substitute products and services. The threat of substitute products or services in the drone industry is relatively low, while there are other types of aerial vehicles such as helicopters and airplanes. Drones offer unique benefits and capability that cannot be replaced by other vehicles. Existing competitors. The rivalry among existing competitors in the drone industry is high. There are many players in the market and competition is fierce. To against a competitive advantage, business need different themselves by offering a unique service by operating a niche market. And now I'm going to talk about SWOT. SWOT is strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Strength is the efficiency, accessibility, and versatility. Precision. Drones can perform tasks with a high level of precision, such as mapping or inspection infrastructure, reducing a margin of error. The weaknesses is limited payload, limit range, and dependence of technology. Drones are rarely on technology such as GPS, which can be affected by interference or jamming. Opportunities. New markets, improved technology, and diversification. The companies can expand their business by offering drones-related service or integrating drones into their existing operators. Threats: regulation, security risk, and competition. As the drone industry grows, competition amongst manufacturer and service providers likely increase. Well, in conclusion, drones technology has advanced significantly in recent years and has had a significant impact on many sectors. However, it has also raised privacy and security concerns. To ensure that the drones are safely and responsibility, it's important that the law are implemented. Thank you for all, and that's it for thank you.